Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Balance Tower. To begin, set up the tower by stacking the 54 wooden blocks. Create 18 levels, with 3 blocks per level, alternating the direction of the blocks for each new layer. The goal is to remove 1 block at a time and place it on top without making the tower fall. This game is perfect for 2 or more players. When it's your turn, carefully remove any 1 block from any level below the highest complete level. Remember, you must use only one hand to do this. Once you've successfully removed a block, place it on the very top of the tower. Continue building new levels, always placing 3 blocks per layer, alternating their direction. The game ends when the tower tumbles down. The player who caused the tower to fall, even if it's just a few blocks, is the one who loses the game. Everyone else who successfully completed their turns without toppling the tower is considered a winner. It's a simple rule, but it adds a lot of suspense to every move. To improve your game, always look for blocks that feel loose or less critical to the tower's stability. When placing your block on top, try to distribute the weight evenly or create a challenging spot for the next player. Remember, patience is key. Take your time, breathe, and use a steady hand to ensure your move doesn't bring the whole structure down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.